Today we're going to explore one of the most unconventional and intriguing methods proposed to extend the life of our beloved blooms. Could a little blue pill, primarily designed for human use, actually hold the secret to achieving longer-lasting, more vibrant blooms in our flower arrangements? Let's delve into this fascinating topic and find out how science and sheer curiosity can collide in the captivating world of flowers. Viagra's active ingredient, sildenafil, is widely known and famous for improving blood flow in humans. It's primarily used for that purpose. Surprisingly, plants have a similar system for moving water and nutrients throughout their structure. When flowers wilt, it's often because their internal plumbing, their vascular system, breaks down. Sildenafil can actually slow down the aging process in plant tissues, which is quite remarkable. This helps in keeping stems and petals firm and vibrant for a longer duration. It helps flowers absorb water for a longer period, effectively delaying the wilting process. Even potted plants can benefit significantly, staying greener and appearing more robust, especially under stressful conditions. In scientific studies, a tiny dose of Viagra was shown to have doubled the vase life of Cutt carnations. It's a fascinating example of how plant and human biology can sometimes surprisingly overlap in function. Are you intrigued and want to try this at home? Perhaps give your floral arrangements that extra edge. Here's a detailed guide on how to do it right, ensuring the best possible outcome for your beloved blooms. We'll walk you through each step. First, you'll need a Viagra tablet. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before using any medication, even for your plants. Next, find a clean vase. Ensure it's free of any residue or contaminants that could affect the water quality. You'll also need a measuring jug to accurately measure the water and solution. Precision is important here, and of course, your flowers. Choose fresh, vibrant blooms for the best results. Now carefully crush a tablet. A small amount goes a long way. Remember, just a tiny speck is enough for a liter of water. Overdoing it can be detrimental. Dissolve about 1 milligram of powder per liter of water. This ensures the right concentration. Remember, more isn't better. A little goes a long way in this process. Prepare your flowers as usual, removing any dead leaves or petals. Trim the stems at an angle to encourage water absorption, and fill the vase with fresh, clean water. Carefully add the dissolved powder to the water in the vase. Stir the water well to ensure the solution is evenly distributed, and then arrange your flowers beautifully. For your potted plants, you can use the same dilution in a watering can for regular watering. Handle the solution with care. Always wash your hands thoroughly after handling the powder or solution. Remember, overdosing won't help and could potentially harm your plants, so stick to the recommended dosage.